Good morning and welcome back to another healthy vlog. Today I am making bran muffins because I want them. So there are a couple of reasons why bran muffins can be really good for us, but then there are also a couple of reasons why bran muffins are definitely not good for us. So let's just go through those really quick. 1. Fiber is great. Bran is very high in fiber. We love that. Number 2, we're going to be substituting brown sugar for honey. So substituting a natural sugar that has a lower glycemic index is a really positive thing so that our blood sugar levels aren't fluctuating super quickly, so that it's more of a gradual change throughout the day. And they're also just really yummy. They taste really good. So that's why I'm making them. That being said, I want to be really careful not to trick anyone into thinking that these are like super healthy, because they're not. And I have kind of a very specific mindset about baking that, like, rather than trying to constantly make dishes super healthy by like changing absolutely every ingredient in it, you should enjoy the baked goods that you make and don't make them very often. I almost never make bran muffins. This is my first time making bran muffins in this kitchen. That was terrifying. And I realized that I'm a little hypocritical because I'm substituting honey for brown sugar, but this is something I've wanted to try for a while. So I'm more talking about like, okay, well, what do we substitute the flour for, and what do we substitute the oil for, and all those things. So I think it's better to enjoy your baked goods the way that they were meant to be baked and just not have them very often. That's kind of been my philosophy with food in general, because again, we're not trying to like shame ourselves for eating cookies that have regular sugar in them, right? But in this scenario, I'm really interested in what honey will do. So let's do it. Okay, 1.5 cup of bran cereal, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1/3 cup of coconut oil, 1 large egg, 2/3 cups of brown sugar, which I'm gonna use honey for, vanilla extract, flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt. Okay, give me 1 second. And it's got a little baking soda in my hair. Blast it! We're out of eggs! What am I gonna do? Coconut oil and a little bit of salt. Bummer. I have everything except for the egg, so I have to go to my doctor's appointment, and then I will get an egg on the way home, and then I will make the bran muffins. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm back from getting my eyes checked, and now I can't see anything, but I did get eggs. I'm very happy that I didn't get hit by a car, because I got out of the eye doctor, and I was like, I can't see. Nope, not a thing. Okay, so that actually took so much longer than I thought, so I'm going to make some breakfast, and then I'm going to make these bran muffins, because yum. Making my world famous post burrito bowl breakfast, where I just put my leftovers in here and then add 2 eggs. It is the most delicious thing ever. One of the keys of baking is that you have to bake 4 people, because then you don't end up eating the entire thing. So our plan, we're gonna give bran muffins to our friend Thomas. We're gonna give bran muffins to our friends Jared. Taylor and Jeff. Jared's gonna eat 6 of them.
Are you gonna eat none of them?
No, I'm gonna eat like a lot of them. But I feel like whenever we do bake and we don't like purposefully give the food to our friends, we end up eating it forever. You know, we just like, it's so easy to just like take a little square of a brownie or something, you know? Where's the butt, Jared? Let's hear it.
I love a brownie. There's no buts. If you had the option between a shower next to a bathtub or a more dramatic shower thing that was also a bathtub, which would you choose?
For the record, I don't like bath showers. I want them to be separate. Ugh. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna be canceled for that, but
as usual, I think I'm gonna go a different direction. But
oh my god.
It's not because I don't respect you, it's because
I need to start doing that reverse psychology thing where like I give you the wrong answer so that you end up doing what I want you to do. Because without fail,
here's my question.
I'm wrong.
No, you're not wrong.
Call me an interior designer.
I'm calling you a cab.
Okay, well now that I've fixed all of Jared's work problems, it's time to get to work. Okay, bran muffins. Let's do this.
Do you have a recipe or you're just kind of making it up?
I have a recipe, Jared. Best bran muffins ever is what these are called. Okay, preheat oven to 450. Lightly spray muffin pan with a nonstick spray. Okay.
Oh my god, clatter, clatter, clatter.
You guys can trust me that I just oiled the pan, okay? In a medium-sized mixing bowl, soak bran cereal in buttermilk for 10 minutes until it gets soggy.
For someone who hates waiting, baking is a tricky thing.
Yes, it really is. 1.5 cups of bran, and then 1 cup of buttermilk. What are we gonna use the rest of the buttermilk for? Make some pancakes?
I was gonna say we could fry some chicken.
Oh, I've never really done that. Okay, 1.5 cups of bran. You know, I will say about my baking, and I think that this is not good. I'm not very precise. I think that's okay.
No.
All you have to do is just make it with love. And then 1 cup of buttermilk. You wanna come over here, or do you wanna just sit in your corner? It's up to you. It really is.
Well, I am working.
Me too.
I know, but
no, I'm just kidding. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, soak bran cereal. So it needs to get soggy. I need a little mixing spoon. Okay. Full disclosure, I'm making a different recipe than what my family usually makes, which is a little blasphemous of me. But this one is a little bit of a smaller portion size, and it takes way less flour and way less sugar. So I was like, okay, well, then I want to try this one. And this one just calls for coconut oil, which I really like. So yeah, I'm going to let this sit for 10 minutes. Hopefully by that time, my eyesight comes back. Probably will not. Talk to you soon. 10 seconds, and then we can start going again. Okay. There it is. Okay, here we go. Add in melted coconut oil, egg, brown sugar, vanilla extract, flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Okay, Jared, can I give you a mission?
yeah. What do you need?
Can you get me a 1/3 cup of coconut oil melted, please? Yeah, definitely use a liquid measuring cup for the coconut oil. You might have to use this to measure it out. Brown sugar, so we're actually gonna use a 1-to-1 substitute for honey. As you can see, we're very good bakers. 1 cup of flour. See, this is like my big pet peeve when I'm baking. I already used the cup for the buttermilk, and then I need to get flour, a dry ingredient. Ugh. Again, people get too precise. You just have to make it with love. Okay, this is one of my biggest pet peeves. Why is flour packaged in paper? Why?
What should it be packaged?
I don't know anything else.
Not plastic, huh?
Not single-use plastic. Okay, but I do know this. I know that when you're using flour, you're supposed to pour it into the measuring cup and then use a knife to scrape it off the top. Learned that from our friend Taylor. This is why I work out. No, I got it.
You just gotta encourage it.
Oh no.
Where's the knife?
Okay, that's enough. It's perfect. Don't even. It's melted. That's great. This is the 1/3 cup. Does it still say a 1/3 cup on here? Wow, the meniscus is really, it's right there. That's perfect, Jared.
Thank you.
Really good work.
Measurer.
2/3 cups of honey. Let's do it.
Is honey nature's best gift? Weigh in.
You really, yeah, I would say out of your natural sugar sources, you really like honey and you really like dates. Honey and dates have a lower glycemic index, so they're not gonna cause as big of a spike in your blood sugar. Jared, I don't know about you being in the corner over there, just like lurking around.
Hey, there's no room for me here.
You can go right there.
We didn't light for my face, so that's...
We don't know how to light things.
Yeah, we do.
No, we don't.
I'm bringing in my own lighting designer. Can you clear, look at this. That's yours.
Vanilla extract. I need a little teaspoon.
It's a little bright.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is fun.
Do you want to tell them what that is?
It's my globe. I bought it for Sam, but how fun is this? So it's a night light. It turns off, and then you just flip it on and it turns on. You can carry it into the other room to read. You could carry it to the bathroom, and then over 30 minutes it gets dimmer and dimmer until you drift off to sleep.
This is not sponsored.
No, but why not, honestly?
Basically, the idea is like that it's a softer light that's supposed to kind of mimic your circadian rhythm. So it also can act as an alarm clock. So like you can set it to when you need to wake, like a certain time domain that you need to wake up, and then it will gently wake you up. And I end up just like getting really angry when I see it start to go on in the morning.
Mad.
Baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Otherwise, I think I've done everything else. A little dash of salt in. Not gonna measure it because I'm so happy that you're here for my moral support.
Yeah, it's good.
It's beautiful.
I actually say it smells so good.
It smells very good.
That's not how you're supposed to do it, that's why.
Yeah, but that's how you should do it, okay? Stir thoroughly. This mixture will be very thick. Okay, so in case you didn't know, Jared and I do have pet names for each other. And
this is a video about pet names.
And they are our southern alter egos, and they were inspired by the Bob Snapchat filter. I don't know if I can get my editor to find this filter and put it on us right now, because that would just be
Kyle.
It changes your voice, but also we take on our southern personas of June and
Beth.
There, it's June again. I gotta say, I'm a little embarrassed. Sure. Beth, what happened?
We forgot our wigs this morning.
We're not sure if it's Beth or Beth. What do you think it is?
I think Beth.
Beth.
Honestly, strive to be as good of bakers as we are. I betcha that it's a little bit runnier, actually, than it would be if I would use brown sugar.
Did we account for that in the flour?
No, it actually said that anything underneath a cup of substitution for the brown sugar, like a liquid to a solid, is fine. If we were to like double the recipe, then we would have to put in something a little bit thicker with the honey.
Mm.
It's an art, Jared. Divide the batter equally among the 12 muffin tins.
Just put them in here?
Put them right in there. You know what, June? You may have done this almost perfectly.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a plaque that says that because it can apply to many things. We're one short, but I think they're
beautiful.
good.
Bake in the preheated 450-degree oven for five minutes without
And then
opening the
reduce
door.
heat.
Reduce the heat to 350 and let the muffins. Continue baking for another 8 to 10.
We lost our light. That's the sun. Here comes the rapture.
8 to 10 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes on 450. We reduce the heat to 350. Bake for another 8 to 10. Okay, let's do it. Let's see our girls baking. Okay, so we reduced the heat to 350 and kept them in for another 8 to 10 minutes. So I think I'm just gonna clean up for a bit.
I can't wait to eat them. When can we eat them?
In 10 minutes. Oh my god, they smell so good. Okay. Look how beautiful. Oh, they're done! Okay. Will you hold on to that?
Yeah, I'll flip it around. Oh, I can't control this. Ah! It's like me trying to pilot the space shuttle.
Ah! Wow, they just look so beautiful.
Can we get in there? At what point does the camera start melting? Wow, are they done? Stick a fork in them.
I think they need another 2 minutes.
Oh, because it said 8 to 10.
Yeah.
But will you get a fork so we can test?
I will on the next one. Who is the master baker here?
Me.
No.
Me. Alright. Round 2.
Here we go. Oh, now I think they're done.
Do you have a fork?
They're looking a little crispy.
Yet again, you don't.
I'm gonna get one.
Wow, you really plunged it in there.
I think they're good.
Great.
Okay, we're gonna let them sit.
What's next?
Well, we just wait for a second.
I mean, for you.
Probably gonna meditate. Maybe in like an hour, yeah.
Yeah.
But my eyes are really feeling weird, so where are you going with that?
I'm just framing it.
We'll let you know. We'll eat one in front of you, I promise. Okay. Bye. Okay, I just meditated. My eyes feel so much better, so we're gonna try our bran muffins now. Yum! Like a glove. Really good.
I was exceptional. Everything I wanted in a bran muffin.
And so easy. Definitely sweet enough.
I think it's a huge success. I don't think we're giving any to anyone.
Jared, this is healthy vlogs.
We could have one a day. Each. That's 6 days.
I think you could probably freeze them.
Yeah, we have freezed before.
Well,
I'm into it.
that brings us to the end of our healthy vlog. I think the moral of the story for this one. You just don't bake too often, you know?
No, why would that be the moral of the new moral?
No, that is the moral. You just don't bake that often, but really enjoy it when you do. Okay, bye. Goodbye, Jared.
Bye-bye.